I know it's
I'm just warming up.
yeah. One more question, Dave.
Okay, we do have quite a few questions, but what we try to do is put them together by
Yeah.
subject matter.
Yeah.
So we could, okay. So this last question says, what would be the first thing on your agenda when you become Prime Minister next year?
Excellent. That's a very good question. I think the governance side of things is very important, and to set the right tone for the way in which we will govern the country. So for example, the parliamentary committees, we need to get to the point again where the opposition chairs parliamentary committees and can hold the government of the day accountable. I think that needs to be reinstituted, and that I would want to do from day one. Apart from that, I'm really focused at the present time in building out our overall program of what we're going to do in terms of education, in terms of violent crime, in terms of agriculture, and so on. And we're working hard on finalizing our policy platforms for that. And then in terms of the sequencing of how we roll them out, we want to do the most impactful things that we can as early as possible. But I don't want to get into the nitty-gritty of that just yet, because it's a little early in the day, and I find the other side like to take our ideas and run with it, and don't give us no credit. But you know, we're very much focused now on our policy and programmatic framework of what we want to do.
Thank you for answering the question. Well, I'd like the audience to know that if you didn't hear your question read, we plan on giving the leader all the questions that were generated by the audience this evening, so he can see where the major issues are for the diaspora. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dale and Alvin.